Hi everyone, this is Aaron Abarca, and I am showing you a Fujifilm disposable camera. I just picked this up from Walmart. It cost $14. This is better than Kodak FunSaver disposable camera. Yeah, I was pretty upset about sold out at Walgreens. Maybe you can find it on eBay or Amazon. Maybe I'll explain to you later. Now I'm gonna unbox this. Shall we? Hold on a second. Okay. I'm gonna throw the box away. Let me unwrap this thing. And here it is, folks. A disposable camera. Wow, looks pretty great. I like it. You can turn the button on if you want to take with flash. When you're done taking pictures, maybe they're 27 shots. When you're done with it, you can take it to Walgreens and develop pictures. I'll probably save this for later. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe me, hit the bell, and hit the like button. Well, everyone, I hope you have a great day and God bless. Oh, and also Merry Christmas.